So I'm doing my pre-installation, pre-drywall walkthrough. I'm going to do a few of these, okay, probably two or three more before we actually start insulating. And right now I'm just looking for a real small thing that a lot of people probably don't think about. I want to make sure that anywhere we have an electrical wire next to the HVAC pipes, that we have that little bit of insulation in there. Would it ever heat up that wire? No. So the air going through there would never be hot enough. But what can happen is that pipe will actually move, will expand and contract, and depending what happens, there could actually be a little bit of a vibration there. You just never know. I've had in the past where a wire is touching a pipe and you kind of hear this little tick, 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 tick sound, and it can be very, very annoying. So I just want to make sure it's a small thing to do, for a nickel's worth of insulation. Make sure anytime that there is a wire near a heating pipe, or more importantly, a water pipe, because the water pipes will actually move a lot more, because when you shut off the water, sometimes there can be that little water hammering effect. We do put things in place to try to prevent that. But the last thing I want is someone to buy this home, sleeping at night, and every time the water goes on and off or the heat turns on and off, you hear this weird tick, 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 tick sound. It would be so annoying. So these are just some small little preventative things, that we just try to do, do the best that we can when we're going through these builds.